Good day, YouTube. It's me, Dana Dane, coming to you guys with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my dining room, living room, and my bar combination. And we went with the same color scheme in our living room and our dining room due to our home being open concept. So our living room, which you can see in the far side of the video, is on the second floor of our home. And then our dining room is on the third floor of our home, which I kept the same color scheme. And then our bar is over in the corner. Again, the same color scheme. And I just love these floors, the dark floors in the home. And when we purchased the home, the floors came with the home. So these are not floors that we installed. But I purchased this dining room table based off of the flooring. And I just love the studs that the table came with, as well as the chairs and the little accents on the chairs. Now, the only thing I really don't care for on this table, I'll pull this chair out so you guys can see this little area down here under the table. What is the purpose of that except for hitting my knees and bruising them up? And I am bruised black and blue in several areas from hitting my knees on this area. And if you guys know what this little table portion of the table is used for, please leave a comment and let me know, because I sure would like to know what is the purpose of that. But other than that, I think it's cute. I love the legs on the table and how they kind of swing out. And again, I love the color of the table, the grains in the woods that match the chairs. I always keep a scented candle on the table. And if you guys would like to know where I purchased any of these items, let me know. I love these place settings that I picked up with the gold trim. And decided to have a TV installed in my dining room because 90% of the time I am parked at this dining room table. Because of COVID, I'm working from home, so I sit at the dining room table, watch TV, work. And then we added that plant so you can hide the cords. Even though I know we can hide the cords behind the wall like we did in our living room, my husband with his honey-do list has not gotten to that. So I just put a plant there. And I love these doors. And I'll show you guys. These doors open up to a little base that you can stand out, a little ledge you can stand out on. And again, they're double doors, so you can open them both. So I just love that about this house. It lets in a lot of sunlight, a lot of fresh air. I like that the builders of this home were very meticulous in everything they've done. From installing the floors and the railing And then the last thing I want to feature in this video would be the area rug that I have under the dining room table. It's the same exact rug that I have in my living room. It's just a little bit smaller. And it brings all of the colors from the dining room table and the accents in as well. So I hope you guys like the video. Again, if you have any comments, please leave them and I will definitely respond to you. If you'd like to know where I purchased anything, because no one is sponsoring this video, you can leave me a comment and I will definitely let you know. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. And you guys have a great day. Thanks and see you soon.